as the sailor and marine reservist, explored the Reserve Force together with the men and women of the Philippine Navy Reserve Force development. It is but in the process of finding its own self-identity that reflects the core values expressed by our naval reservists. The birth of a legacy. The year 2024 led the Naval Reserve Command to begin its journey under the former commander, Major General Joseph Ferros S. Quezon, Philippine Navy Marines, where a hymn was visualized, worthy of the force. By September of 2024, through musicians made 2nd class Hernani Lazaro M. Cuenco Jr., Philippine Navy Reserve, our Navy reservist, he composed a hymn that was envisioned by the former commander that sounded more like a song, moving away from the usual marching style. With his direction, musicians made 2nd class Cuenco crafted a heartfelt composition, the Hamon ng Alon, an anthem born reflecting the patriotism, dedication, and volunteerism of our Navy reservists.
Sabi niya, ang gusto ko yung medyo kanta talaga na pwedeng makanta ng lahat, nakakaengganyo sa ating mga kababayan na baka gusto nila ring magsilbi bilang isang reservist. Siyempre gusto natin yung mga kasamahan natin yung makakanta nila na simple lang, nakakayanin ng lahat at mararamdaman yung meaning ng kanta. Sinimplihan na lang natin yung execution ng kanta para naman po mas madaling masapuso, ika nga yung awitin para madali natin kantahin lahat at sabay-sabay natin makakanta.
The hymn was initially approved and underwent rigorous process to formally approve and make it official as the NRC hymn. Under the leadership of the present commander, Major General Doroteo Jose M. Halandoni, Philippine Navy Marines, the hymn was further improved from its version and was renamed as the Philippine Navy Reserve Force Hymn or the Himno ng Laangkawal Pandagat. The flag officer in command, Vice Admiral Josema Ambrosio Q. Espeleta, Philippine Navy, approved the hymn, dated 22 April 2025, as an official hymn, a symbol of identity and pride for the Reserve Force. More than a melody, this hymn is a mission, guided by policy, honor, and ceremony, and sung by every Laangkawal Pandagat. This is our song. This is the Philippine Navy Reserve Force hymn, and this is our official hymn.